Hi, this is Sherry from NavigationDisk. I'm going to show you today how you can unlock the VXM 140 to 152 using the SD Master Pro. So first we are using the original SD card. I'm going to show you guys that the password is inside. So yeah, if it's original SD, you should retrieve the password once you insert the SD card, insert the radio, unscrew the SD slot and put it out. Let me insert this stuff to SD Master Pro, and yeah, it's showing because the SD card I've already removed from the panel. So this is the card. I'm going to insert the stuff in the SD Master Pro. So once I click the version 152, you see it's showing the correct password 11184. So I'm gonna enter the password to the radio, and I'm going to show you that it's gonna be unlocked. So the radio start loading by itself using the SD card I've just inserted, and it will ask for the password right now. Okay, 11184. That's what we have seen. Perfect. So that's the story. Well, how about you make another SD card, a new SD card? All right. So how could you retrieve the password? So I pull out the original one, it's the other one. So it's going to inside. Right now the radio is unlocked. Whatever card you are going to insert doesn't matter because I didn't disconnect the battery. So still the radio unlocked because the OS is loaded in the ROM. Let me show you. I've loaded this radio. There is no connectivity right now with the SD card with the radio. So radio is loading based on the previous SD card. So it's unlocked. It actually is wrong. If the customer removes the battery, it will be locked. So I removed the SD card. Also, I'm going to remove the battery panel and insert the new SD card to the SD Master Pro. And see, it's showing a wrong pin code. So that's absolutely wrong. It's not the one that we have seen a couple of seconds back. So in SD Master Pro, we have to click the prepare button by checking that. Alright, check that. First you should see a failed status. Let me drop down. Have a look on the red. Yeah, it's written. I double click, so it's successfully written. So we will put this stuff inside the radio, and the radio will load the new OS in this SD, and we will get the perfect password. Again, we have to put it back to SD Master Pro. Don't worry, it takes a couple of seconds because I disconnect the battery and the OS is loading in the SD card. But you will see the radio is locked because the previous version has been removed completely. 1 2 3, perfect. It's asking for the password. I'm pulling it out and inserting this stuff to SD Master Pro. You should see right now the correct password 11184. If I click on that, get info. Yeah, perfect. Thank you so much for watching the show.